Hi everyone, I am Dr. Samada, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about the concept template inheritance in Django. This is helps to creating a web applications that also supporting the create a define a structure of all the content in web. It is a multiple templates files are available to creating in a common code. It is not needed to write a many times content in many times. That is every template written in a HTML files. For example, base and home. It is like a inheritance, base class and derived class. It is increasing the length of code. It is a reduce the readability and also increasing the development time. To separate, if you that separate coding, if you want to creating a template means there is new template file is created. It is called as a base template, and the remaining files are extends in base. Common files represented in base template, and if you want to the other than common represented in extends is a base. That is the two steps of created. It is automatically inherited. There is no need for the any other content, and it is also the common code of a base template and remaining template both are combined to represented as a template inheritance. And header and footer of a websites, everything it will be every web page is represented in your separated HTML file. The template is represented in common code in base, other than is a template. The both are thing, and header and footer also separate in your HTML files. And the new file is created. It is a home page and service page. About these are all things one by one process, every process to represent it in a new file. A new file is called as a base.html, and your tag is using open curly braces, percentage extends percentage, and percentage include percentage. That is two tags are available. If that common using the include, and other than is using the extends, that is the two tags are available, and all tags are executed in the browser. This is the example, and base.html and home is linked to the base, that is using the include tag, and your address to home, it is using the extends. This is the two tags are using. This is the example program. This is the example program. It is a 4-step process. First one is creating a template inheritance in your Python. After that, give a application name. And the third one is to creating a database name. Fourth one is we have to setting the Python of your project, application and database. The first one is setting the application name is installed an app, and followed by we have to set the process. After that, a database, that is database equal to define the engine name and username and password. And fifth one is it's a view. Finally, to view a content from the Django. That is Django.shortcut importer render to define the modules, and define the functions, that is home view, contact view, and date and time view. Everything it is a function. Inside a function, and services view also one of a function, to with the help of that function to view a content. And sixth one is URL. It is also possible to access all the web pages URLs. It is with the help of the path function. And step 7 is template files. Templates have a 4 files: base file, home file, contact file and service file. These are all things already discussed in that previous slide. This is the base.html coding with the tag, and this is the block specification and URL, and template.contact.html through the template tag, and order list and unordered list they have to using. The previous example coding is the output. Current date and time, and your web page headings, and order list. It is like Python language, Java language, and other language. These are all the order language available database. Thank you.